Good morning guys, welcome to Motovlog number 24. I am on my way to the ambient stall, meeting the group, and then we'll head on towards KMP, Palwal side, do that round, and then I think our breakfast is at Doubletree on the golf course road. I think so, in Gurgaon. Anyway, that's the plan for today. I will be at the toll in another 5 minutes. We'll resume once I'm with the group. Take care guys, it's a good morning. The weather's becoming nice and cool. See you guys, bye. Almost at the toll now.
Dude, you made it, buddy.
I thought you had a late night.
I was supposed to. The match finished early.
I know.
3 घंटे की पिक्चर 2 घंटे में खत्म हो गई यार.
Hi sir, good morning. Hi, Angad. Hi, Rahul, how are you? Long time. Morning sir. आज तो बफी भी आ गए, ये भी आ गया.
How are you?
Very well sir. I thought आप पहाड़ों पे गए हुए हो.
2 दिन 3 दिन के लिए लैंड लैंड के लिए.
तो अब नेक्स्ट वीकेंड का क्या प्लान है? हमेशा टक्कर होती है, कोई बात नहीं. So now we're rolling towards KMP. So our group is planned to ride to Sariska. I briefly mentioned in my last vlog. We are planning to go on the 20th of October until the 22nd of October, which is the next Friday to Sunday. I think we're going to be about 15 or 16 of us. It's not going to be a big group, a smallish group, but that works very well. Reached the Manisa toll. So we've reached the entry to KMP now. Let's go KMP. It's been a while since I came on the KMP Palwal side. I think last I did a ride was on this side of KMP. It was my first ride on the Diablo, which was almost over a month ago. Beautiful, awesome. Look at that, lovely weather. See that little fog over the fields? Awesome wintry touch. Today morning, it feels that winters are finally setting in. We have Mr. Sethi on his fire blade. That's Amit on his jigsaw. डॉग वहाँ पे अकेले खड़े होंगे, अकेले. So we're done with a pit stop at the exit on KMP. No. Now on our way for breakfast. We've finished KMP, now going back on the national highway towards our breakfast menu. Reached Manesa Dole. Mr. Raman Khanna's unlimited gyan. Oh, you want to ride?
I want to ride this.
Ride.
कौन सा मोड है?
Normal. Do you want to be on the camera?
No. Okay, डाल दो. आराम से है भाई, आराम से. जा.
BM में कितने गियर होते हैं?
हाँ?
BM में गियर कितने होते हैं?
क्या कर रहे हो?
कितने गियर होते हैं BM में? अच्छा. अच्छा ठीक है. इसको
उतारना पड़ेगा.
डेली टाइट करो कि ये बाइक के साथ ही रहा.
क्या कर रहा है? आ गया, नंदा भी आ गया. चलो.
So I've taken Raman's S1000Rr. He wanted to ride the Ninja, the 10R. Cool. So this is the first time I'm riding the Beemer. Not bad at all, very smooth. In fact, the riding posture on this is a lot more comfortable compared to the 10R. 10R is a lot more aggressive. This has a pretty upright posture, and you're not that cramped, and your knees are not, as in your feet are not that back up. Very comfortable, very smooth, but it's too smooth and too tamed for me. I prefer the 10R. 10R's got that raw grunt. I think the exhaust also makes a difference because the 10R's got a full system arrow. I haven't seen. I don't know if this one's got a stock exhaust or just a slip-on, but it's very silent. So sound makes a lot of difference also when you're riding such bikes. It just adds to the entire feel and character of the bike. Nonetheless, very nice. I like this. Very cool. Anyway, it's Raman's bike. I'm going to take it easy. Or maybe not. Let's give it the beans. Sorry, Raman. Just checking the brakes. Ooh, wow, they work. So while Raman's riding my 10R, what I've done is I've left the 360 camera on while he's riding. So it'll be interesting to see his footage while he's riding the 10R. I think he'd be happy to see himself in the camera. I'm back on my bike. We have swapped bikes with Raman back on the 10R. Oh, any day compared to the Beemer. This is, wow, no way, not the Beemer, 10R any day. Oh, love this machine. We've reached the breakfast menu, Doubletree by Hilton. सिर्फ रमन को पकड़ा है।
वो हाथ में वही
पीछे सारे थे।
The papers would be there. His bike.
Yeah.
Brand new bike.
Oh, they only stopped Raman. They didn't stop anybody else. Yeah.
The guy standing in front of me like this.
Yeah. Good morning, Bobs.
Good to see you, man. How are you?
Very well. Abhi on the way.
Oh, vlogger Singh.
How are you?
How are you, Tani? How are you, sir?
How are you?
क्या नहीं जी? नहीं चल रहा है.
नहीं यार.
So we're done with breakfast. We left the venue about 10 minutes ago. I'm on my way back home. It's been great. It's almost 11 a.m. now, and the weather is very nice. It's today I think was one of the first mornings in a long time that I didn't feel warm and I didn't sweat as much. So it's great. I think each day the weather is going to get better. This riding season will try and be regular throughout the season. Anyway, we'll be going for that Sariska trip next weekend. Looking forward to it. I will try and vlog that trip. It'll be the first for me vlogging an outstation trip. Till then, guys, have a great week. Enjoy yourself, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.